Hello plant people, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title that today's video is going to be about Ikea NAVI Mumbai tour. And yeah, I happened to visit Ikea last year towards the last week of December, and it was such a fun experience. So I just thought I'll take you guys through some of the Planty section at Ikea, and yeah, here it is. We have crossed quite a few section, and here is the Planty section where you can find lots of pots and lots of watering cans, and that's Kenny with the pot. It's really beautiful and the prices are quite reasonable. As you can see, there were a lot of discounts when I went there, so I did pick up quite a few pots and some planty stuff. So yeah, these are all terracotta pots I really wanted to bring, but it was difficult to travel with this delicate terracotta pots, so I just left it there. There were a lot of live plants which are quite reasonably priced, and this pots in tin, I got few of them, and a few more succulents and ferns and anthuriums, and there was a huge collection of chrysanthemums priced at about 130 I think, and yeah, lots of crotons also, and they were quite healthy. So if you're in Mumbai, or if you're somewhere close to Mumbai, you can visit Ikea and grab yourself a croton and this beautiful pots from the terracotta section. I was also surprised to see a lot of healthy looking snake plants, and they were quite good. So, and the collection of pots here is quite massive. The food is awesome. I had a nice spread of food, and then if you are looking for furnitures and kitchen items, they already have some model kitchen setup, so you can have an idea of how you want your house to be. So this is one of the model kitchens that I visited. There's a pantry behind, and yeah, it gives you an idea of how to set up your house. And these are some of the pictures that I took, and I really love this sofa. And yeah, these are some of the pictures that I have from Ikea. This is a model children's room, and I really like it. And now here is the chrysanthemum that I was talking about, the collection. So this is priced at about 130, and there were quite a lot of anthurium flowers also. So that's me checking out some mirrors, and yeah, these are the crotons that I was talking about, and a lot of healthy ZZ plants, and palm, and a lot of anthuriums again. So yeah, the plant section is really surprisingly good there. So if you are looking to buy plants, you can definitely check out the plant section there. So that's all from this Ikea video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, do give it a like, and if you're new to my channel, do consider subscribing for more such planty contents. I'll see you on my next video. Take care.